Hi guys, a little update for you. So the roof's on now, as we know, and just where we've pulled this insulation off, we've bought some new insulation, some sounding deadening material and heat insulation that'll drop in there quite nicely. We bought it off Amazon. I'll put the link below if you're interested in getting any yourself. Some of it is still here in place though. This one still here, so we may just leave that. I can't remember whether or not, I mean there was never any insulation here, but if I put some here, would it affect the operation of the sunroof? I'm not sure. I need to have a think about that. But okay, let's show you what we've bought. Okay, so one good thing about this material is it's self-adhesive. You just pull the back off and you can stick it to the car. It saves buying any glues and that kind of thing. There we go. Perfect. Just the job. Okay guys, we're going to sign off now. Before we do go, just to let you know, we've got a little bit of an offer. We've got a bulk supply of engine oil filters for the 4.4 litre V8 petrol. If anyone's interested and you're in the Tamworth area, then let us know. We can do you one of these filters for about £2.50 a piece. Okay guys, take it easy and we'll see you soon.